Hey friends, Jessica here with Creators Couture. So after months and months of development, I am so excited to finally bring you my new realistic fiber effect brushes. And these brushes, it's really almost like a new medium. They were inspired by a lot of analog inspirations such as textile art, tufting, punch needle embroidery, wool felting, and all different kinds of fiber arts that I have been really studying and gathering inspiration from. And I thought it would really be cool to be able to create digital versions of this kind of artwork. And so I put all of these inspirations together. I have literally spent months and months developing them, editing these brushes so that you can just have fun and create these kind of effects like you're painting with fibers. And also now that I finally launched the brushes, I'm going to be able to do a lot more step-by-step tutorials and share with you lots of inspiration. And I'm looking forward to helping all of my fellow creators to have fun creating with these brushes.